I'm Frida with WTI, and I'm up here on this ledge to show you this bird feeder that I got from Mosloly. This is designed to only let smaller birds eat food. And we wanted this because we have starlings, and the starlings are bullies, man. They will get rid of any little bird in the area. So this has been very convenient for attracting songbirds, which is what we want. So the door on the front opens up so that it's easy to refill, and then it just snaps closed again. It has two different layers, and I have mealworms on the top and regular bird seed on the bottom. I love that the layers are meshed too, so that the mealworms can kind of fall through. And we've had a lot of fortune with hanging this outside of our kitchen window and been able to catch a couple birds on video. It took them just a minute to figure out, and I had to make sure I had the right type of feed to attract the songbirds. But so far, it's helped in letting the starlings know that they are not welcome in this neighborhood. We don't have a big problem with squirrels and chipmunks in our area, but this is also really good for deterring them from eating all of your bird feed as well. The instructions were very easy to put together, and the way it all comes together, this just locks completely in with these little carabiner hooks, and it's extremely secure. So say a bigger animal did jump onto it to try to steal some bird seed, I feel very confident that this would not break and this would not go anywhere. It's a very well made, completely metal product. This is a braided wire up here that is coated in plastic, so we have this out in all the elements, and we've seen no problems at all with it. This is a really good option if you're dealing with larger birds or animals that want to steal all your bird seed. It's very sturdy. We feel very confident in hanging this out here and knowing that it'll last us from years to come. And that's my point of view.